we are not satisfied with that decision. May it go on record. My clients are not satisfied with the decision of the court in finding that the KWS in charge and the DCIO Nakuru East do not have Brian and therefore can't produce him. My clients believe there is overwhelming evidence, the evidence of eyewitnesses, that Brian is in the hands of the KWS officers and that they have either way to produce him. And so instantly, my instructions are fourfold. Number one, we may consider to move the court to review its decision. Number two, if that decision for that route for review is not so good for us, we will consider an urgent appeal. We are also considering going for an inquest to the forced disappearance of Brian. We would also move to see whether the family of Brian can get compensation, although we know that no compensation would really assuage their anger, their grief at this point in time. But we are going to move with the speed. In fact, from now on, after we are done here, moving with a team of lawyers, we are going to sit down and have our court papers ready. Tomorrow or the day after, everything should be ready for filing, because nothing is as urgent as life of Brian now. We must actually know where Brian is, and if we do not know, we must have an explanation as to the whereabouts of Brian.
Wewe kama binadamu, wewe kama jaji, wewe kama watu ya KWS, na si mtu mmoja amekufa pale KWS. Ni wengi sana wamekufa. Na kama ni hivyo itasemekana ati kweli mtu ameshikwa, alafu kesho polisi watakushika, wasema ulitoroka, shughuli inaishia hapo, wewe tena unapotelea mbali. Tunasema tu hivi, mimi nitapasui mata to the last point. Hata kama tutamalizia kwa Supreme Court, I will go to that extent. Kama Supreme Court wataona kweli, ikiwa dereva alisema kuna mtu alikuwa na yeye ati na akatoroka, na si ati wajui Brian, kwa sababu kama hakumshika kivua samaki, Brian alikuja kutolewa nje, so they knew who they were coming to look for. Si ati waliona ati kwa sababu Brian wamemshika msituni ati akaba.
This is an extremely bad precedence. That's why we have insisted to the council to make sure that they appeal this decision, because what it does is encourage impunity in the security agencies of this country. It is basically telling them, you do what you want to do, arrest, and whatever you want to do, just do it. And when you are brought to court, you can simply say the suspect ran away, and the court will side with you, and they will say yes, there is no evidence that you have them. So we are extremely disappointed. As I said, it's a grave miscarriage of justice, and the search for Brian continues. We are not giving up. Brayo lazima tumpate, dead or alive. Hapo lazima tuambie. We are not giving up.